triangle. In everyday life, before constructing a building, a rough sketch is drawn on the paper. It helps to easier to construct a building. Similarly, in the same way, before constructing a geometrical figure, a rough figure is drawn and it helps to construct the fair figure, fair diagram. Today, we learn about the constructions of the triangle. There are 6 types of triangles. 3 according to the angles and 3 according to the sides. Which are they? According to the angles, there are 3 types of triangles. Acute angle triangle. If all 3 angles of a triangle are of less than 90 degree, that is acute angles, then it is called a acute angle triangle. Second, right angle triangle. If one angle of a triangle is of 90 degree, then it is a right angle triangle. Obviously, other 2 are the acute angles. And third one is the obtuse angle triangle. If one angle of a triangle is more than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle. One angle is obtuse angle and other 2 angles are the acute angle. Then it is a obtuse angle triangle. And according to the sides, there are 3 types of triangles. First one, equilateral triangle. When all 3 sides of a triangle are equal, same, then it is a equilateral triangle. Second, isosceles triangle. When any two sides of a triangle are equal, are congruent, of same length, then it is a isosceles triangle. And when no one side is equal, all 3 sides are of different measures, then it is a scalene triangle. Today we learn about the constructions of the triangle. Given all out of 6, we give the 3 constituents. Here, to construct a triangle, given the lengths of 3 sides of the triangle. When 3 sides are given, then how to construct a triangle? Let's start. Draw triangle XYZ such that length XY is equal to 6 cm, length YZ is equal to 4 cm and length XZ is equal to 5 cm. First we draw a rough figure. We draw rough figure. X, Y, Z. Length XY is equal to 6 cm. Right here, length XY is equal to 6 cm. Length XZ is equal to 5 cm. And length YZ is equal to 4 cm. Draw rough figure. And from this rough figure, we draw fair diagram, required diagram. For this, we use scale and compass. First, we draw side XY of length 6 cm. For this, we use the ruler and draw XY of length 6 cm. Then, how we find out the point Z? Here, XZ distance is 5 cm. Therefore, take 5 cm distance in your compass. 5 cm distance in your compass. Measuring using the scale 5 cm distance घ्यायचं आहे. रुलर वरून मोजून. Put the tip of compass and mark the arc on one side of the side XY. Then from Y, how much distance? 4 centimeter. It is 4 centimeter distance. Then take 4 centimeter distance in your compass using ruler. Put a tip of compass on point Y and cut the previous arc. And we get the intersection point. It is point Z. सगळ्यात प्रथम काय केलं आपण? XY साइड 6 सेंटीमीटर लांबीची पट्टीच्या सहाय्याने काढून घेतली. त्यानंतर Z हा पॉइंट X पासून किती डिस्टन्स वर आहे? 5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स. म्हणून कंपास मध्ये 5 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स घेतलं. कंपास X वर ठेवला आणि आर्क टाकला. त्यानंतर Z हा पॉइंट Y पासून 4 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स वर आहे. म्हणजे YZ डिस्टन्स 4 सेंटीमीटर आहे. म्हणून 4 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टन्स घेतलं. कंपास Y वर ठेवला आणि आर्क काढला. हे दोन्ही आर्क ज्या बिंदूत छेदतात त्याला म्हटलं पॉइंट Z. Then joint XZ and joint YZ. Five centimeter, 4 centimeter. This is our required triangle XYZ.